Hello there guys. Today we're actually dealing with broken brake guide pins, brake caliper guide pins actually. This is the broken piece, as you can see, and that part is stuck right in here. That's how it's supposed to be. And it's actually both the guide pins are broken, top and bottom on one side. I was actually trying to replace the brake pads and ended up stripping these guide pins. I'm not sure, could be over tightening. This is how it is supposed to be. This is the other side, as you can see. Both sides are open, and this is how the pin is supposed to look like. So what we're going to do is try to remove these broken pieces here so that we don't have to buy a new brake caliper, the mounting bracket. Otherwise we'll have to buy this one. So what I've done so far is I bought new pins, all four, from actually just the regular auto traders, not AutoZone. BMW didn't have them in stock. So what we're trying to do is I have the scale, so understanding kind of what size. So it seems like it's an 8mm. And the idea is that we're going to use this screw extraction set. So first what you do is you drill based on this chart here. If you can zoom in. You drill first into that broken piece. Okay, we could probably drill it from this side. Drill, and then use this extraction bit to extract the broken part out, like that. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do that, and we'll keep you along to see if this works. So the next step is that with a punch tool, we're going to mark the center from where we actually want to start the drilling, so that at least the drill bit has some place to start off. So carefully, because we want to make sure that we're hitting the center. So we're going to point it at the center. So I'm actually finding it hard to center the drill, especially the actual size drill. So what I'm going to try to do now is use a smaller size drill to maybe find the center first and then go to the actual size. So let's try to do that. Alright guys, so I've already broken a couple of bits by now, as you can see, without making any progress. So what I've done now is I've actually bought these hard metal bits, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to make some progress with these. So let's hope and see how things go from here. So it seems like we're making some progress. At least we're not breaking the bits, and I can see a little bit of metal coming out. So we'll continue with that, and then I'll switch to the bigger bit. So after a lot of patience and the right bit, plus some WD-40, actually now we're making progress. So we are drilling, we're seeing metal coming out, so hopefully we'll continue for some time. All right, so it seems like we made good progress here. The next step is to use the tap, and we're going to try to tap it in and then remove, unscrew the broken bolt in there. Nice and easy. Let's see. Okay, we get here. I hope you can see. Awesome. So here we are, guys. This was the broken piece. So I'll try to take it out of the tab. So with this, I'm hoping that the outer threads are okay. If not, we may have to rethread them, but that will be for the other video. I'm going to repeat the same process for this side. Hopefully we can get this caliper bracket back to work. Alright guys, so it seems like we were able to extract both the bolts out, the guide pins. It was a very long and patient process, but I think it works with the cap and this extraction set. We just have to buy the right bit. So with that, I'll just make sure that the threads are all clean, and hopefully we can test it with the guide pins now, and everything should work fine. Alright guys, here's the final look. So luckily, no internal damage to the threads. We're still going to be able to use them. That saves us a lot of money and time. So thanks for watching the video. I hope it's helpful, and please leave your comments.